Blessings, everyone. This is a big reading, okay? This is perfect for the cycle that we're in energetically as well, let me tell you that. So let's get into this amazing reading. Now, if you are here, a little reminder that yes, I am having the most amazing fortunate experience of being able to travel and work at the same time. So please, if you get an inkling that you need to place an order, this is your reminder to do so earlier rather than later. Don't let it get so big and that I can't support you when you need it. And please don't let it get so big that you wait until I get back and we have a mammoth of challenges to deal with upon my arrival, because I'm certain no matter how many times I say it, people will do that. And when I get back, I'm probably going to have to hit the ground running, and you may even have to wait a bit longer. So let's not wait. As soon as we feel like we need support, reach out, and within the maximum I would believe would be 72 hours, I will be back to you. I mean, we're meant to be 48-hour turnaround anyway. However, of course, I always try to do what I can to support you even faster. And we're just going to have to stick with, that's how it is. I mean, most casters, most readers have, you know, a 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 day turnaround. So let's count our blessings and say, Christy will get to us as she always does, as soon as she can. So let's jump in. I'm very excited about my travels. Okay, so here we go. The Emperor, the Six of Discs, and the Ten of Swords. Do not worry, we are good. We are good, let me tell you, because when we read cards, they all interconnect. It's like energy lines going everywhere, and it teaches us what we need to know about the whole entire story, right? And so when we start with the Emperor, this is sovereignty, this is structure, this is leadership, this is that inner authority where we're really making those collective steps, and we get a sense of self and command. This is where the Emperor says, you know, what are you leading from, and where have you headed? Like, where have you handed your power over? Like, what are you doing? Where are you heading? What are you doing? This is like the Emperor comes in and says, what's going on? What are you releasing? Why are you not in your power? Or if you are in your power, are you in the power of the right thing? This is what the Emperor comes in to do. Where have you handed your power away without realizing it? This card strengthens your boundaries, your clarity, and your sense of direction. So the Emperor supports decisions. The Emperor is here to support decisions for long-term visions. So the Emperor doesn't just pop in and go, okay, yep, let's do this tomorrow. No, the Emperor is very structured. The Emperor has a lot of masculine energy, obviously being the Emperor. And he supports decisions that honor you long-term, not emotional reaction. This is strategy. This is all about being in that masculine, restructuring your life, restructuring your time, organizing things, reclaiming your control that maybe you felt a bit scattered. Well, the Emperor comes in to say, not here, not now. We are not passive. You are here to make some decisions and to choose. And then what I love about what we can see next when we start to do that this week is that the beautiful Six of Discs comes. Now, the Six of Discs, I love the Six of Discs. That's that support, the freedom, the fairness, the giving, the receiving, the card highlights where your energetic scales have been uneven. So it brings in all the things. It brings in where you're giving your freedom. I just love this card. It supports, it gives you the resources, the help, the opportunities, everything you need comes through this amazing card. This is where you find alignment coming back in. Yeah, this is where you find yourself drawing firmer lines around you, which of course you've already experienced from the Emperor. But you finally receive the support you need so that you can rebalance. The universe is giving you the balance back. Thank you, universe. Thank you, astrology, right now, because your beautiful energy is shifted into structure, into Aries. It's a perfect time for you. It's the perfect time right now to do this. And then we move into the Ten of Swords. Now it looks a little bit scary and we don't have to worry about that because remember, this speaks to this. Now that Ten of Swords is that final release. It's where you actually release the mental or emotional cycle that has run its course, that, why the Emperor's come in the first place. The Empress had to come in to have a good talk to you and then provide you with the beautiful resources that the universe has provided so you can let this go. You are overworking right now. It's time. You need to structure your life in a way that can allow you to get more done in a small amount of time, or achieve more so you can earn more, so the resources can come in the way they need to, so you can release. This is about reclaiming what you have had to hold for too long. This is the end of a pattern, the end of an old story. This is where something that's been draining your energy is finally ready to be laid to rest. The Ten of Swords frees you from the loop you've been stuck in, and it clears the way for space for the new beginnings. So, we are reclaiming your authority this week. We are restoring this balance and absolutely receiving the gifts from the universe, 100%. And then we release that story. I don't want to hear any stories. No more victim. Release it, let go, move on. We don't want to sit in this energy any longer. I love you all so much. Have the most magical week. And remember, if you need me, reach out. Don't let it get too big, but be aware. Be really aware that I'm not available in the moment. I'm not available on the same day. Please reach out and give me space and time to get to everyone in the order that they order. Because if you put an order in expecting me to see you on the same day, but I've already got 20, I'm not going to get to you. And I would love to. You know how much I try? I try so hard to get to all of you every single day, but I won't be able to. Not when my days are reduced. My hours are actually expanded. So who knows? I might be able to get to you the same day. However, I might not. So much love. I love you all. I'll speak to you all soon.